My name is Saivenkat. I'm from Tirupati, Andhra Pradesh, and I graduated at 2023, and I'm from Tirupati. And after my graduation, I joined Crio, then got placed through that one, and right now I'm in Bond Blue, like as a trainee. That's all about. So basically, that's the year where actually decision hits. So that's how we thought like the normal, campus things might not work. So have gone through the different platforms which will works fine for me. And then I got to know about Cryo. Then I gone through the curriculum of Cryo, like the projects, the basic the basic class that they have taken. So it stood me different from others. So the basically the Cryo's curriculum was very good. So that's made me to join in the Cryo. So I would say two projects. The basic initial one is Q-tip static, which helped me to understand, you can do it anything. So after that, the Q card is like more close to me because I have done some front end to back end project. So it was very close to me, both Q-tip and Q card. So basically, Q-tip is like it's teach me like how to do a project, and Q card is like I have done it mostly. So those are the two projects. One is curriculum, learning new things day by day. The second thing is mentors. So they are very close with us, and they are ready to solve anything that you have gone through. The third thing is placement there. So till now I've been more than 50 to 60 opportunities. So I think outside in this situation, right now in decision situation, to get all these things of opportunities is like something I enjoy that much, like something so like not in initial days, but I think my midway through when I'm learning backend. So I thought like it's not possible with me to learn backend and everything. Then I connected with my mentors, like Kranti sir is there. I connected with him. I approached him. I said like, sir, so and so things are happening. So I can't do it. Then he said, no, you can be able to do it because if you have done the front end part, then learning backend is much more, not much more, but you can understand it better. So then I started backend and I have done it and studied. That's it. In respect of Cryo means I can say the launch part that happened, like the Cryo's interview that happened in Cryo's office, that was most fun part and most memorable part. Actually, no, because a lot of things I know already, so that's why I don't think how to start sound. My mind was very clear to do what to do next, so I don't think so. I have stuck anywhere. So basically, keeping your mind in the right mindset is very important. So don't underestimate yourself because it's the worst thing that some everyone does, like underestimate themselves, but that they can pull anything out. So that's the most important thing, like to underestimate yourself and do anything with the confidence. That's all I'm typing.